Pearl Flexi. They contacted me and asked if I wanted to review a few of their razors, and I said, sure, why not? Send one. So, opening the box up, they give you a ton. Looks like 5 packages of these Willies razor blades. Never used them. There's 10 in a pack, so that's 50. That's good. All right. Then you get a thank you card and looks like a registration card here for 5-year warranty. Well, that's pretty nice. And you get a cleaning cloth in the back, which, I always use whatever I'm using that day. Thank you card. All right. So inside here is the razor. It comes with a stand, which is very hefty, and the razor is as well. Got big fingers. I can't pull that out. Okay. All right. So got that out, but nice box. And here's the razor. The adjustable Pearl razor made in India. Let's see if I can get it to focus on the back of that. Supposed to be a knockoff of the Rex Ambassador. Now it is a 2-piece adjustable razor. And the dial down here at the bottom. Well, that's frozen. That will not. What's up with that? Yeah, that's frozen. You see if I can't run it under some hot water here. Shaving fail. And not even on my face. Come on, America. I'm just going to heat it up to see if there, if there's glue or something seized on it. That will not rotate at all. To set settings on it. I don't even know what setting it's on. It looks like it might be on a 6 or a 1. I can't go lower than a 1, I wouldn't think. Still running it under hot water here. It's that dial that won't rotate. But, this is a knockoff razor. You can hear something rattling. Dry it off here. Yeah, so this knob right here, see where it's stuck at? This is supposed to rotate. Yeah, there's nothing going on there. Loosening it, I'll loosen it. Yeah, there's nothing going on there. Well, so I was going to shave with it today. Not going to now. So I will be calling Pearl or sending them an email letting them know that this is a no-go. It will not adjust. So, yeah. There we are. Would I recommend the Pearl Flexi? At this point, no. It's not going to work. Yeah, damn. That's not good. All right. Well, we were going to do a shave. Not anymore. At least not with that razor. Now, I've ran this under hot water. I still cannot get this thing to spin. Something's wrong. Something's definitely wrong. So, I guess this is what happens when you buy knockoffs. Matt over at Razor Emporium developed a Rex Ambassador, and this, is the direct copy of it. Yeah, I really want to try this razor, but that's frozen on there. I will contact them. Maybe there's something I can do. I don't know. But there is no movement whatsoever in that head. None. It hasn't moved from that position at all.